Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring WordPad, a versatile word processing program available on Windows 10. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply someone who needs to create or edit documents, WordPad is a valuable tool to have at your fingertips. So let's jump right in and learn how to use WordPad in Windows 10. Step 1. To begin, click on the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu where you can access various applications and features. Excellent. Now, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Next, we need to open the All Apps list. You can find this list by either scrolling through the Start menu or clicking on the All Apps option located on the left side, depending on your Start menu configuration. Great. Now, let's proceed to the next step. Step 3. Look for the Windows Accessories folder within the All Apps list. This folder contains a collection of useful tools and applications, including WordPad. Almost there. Now, on to the final step. Step 4. Within the Windows Accessories folder, you'll find WordPad. Simply click on it and WordPad will open, ready for you to start creating or editing your documents. Fantastic! You've successfully learned how to use WordPad in Windows 10. Now you can take advantage of its features to enhance your document creation and editing process. And that concludes today's tutorial on how to use WordPad in Windows 10. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.